Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Riya Study Cycle. Today I am going to explain about 8th class maths chapter number 12 factorization. In my last class I explained how to factorize by grouping terms and the third bit in 12.1 exercise. So now in this video I am going to explain about factorization using identities. So we have basic 3 identities in our maths. Those are a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, and a plus b into a minus b. So what are the formulas for this? A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. For a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. For a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So let's see how these 3 identities help to solve a problem. Let's see. Let's take an example like x square plus 10x plus 25. Factorize this. Let's see the solution for this. X square plus 10x plus 25. So here this is x square. Let's assume it is a square. Here something plus in this place we have b square. So this is 25. 25 means we can write 25 as 5 into 5. 5 5 is 25 now. So 5 square equal to 25. So a square, in a square place we have x square, as well as in b square place we have 25. That means 5 square. So in place of a we have x, in place of b we have 5. So here 10x, we write this 10x as 2 into x into 5. Is it right now? 2 5 is 10 into x. So let's rewrite this equation as x square plus 2 into x into 5 plus 5 square. So here it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. What is the formula for a square plus 2ab plus b square? A plus b whole square. This is our identity. So this is one of our identity now. So here a equal to x and b equal to 5. Let's write for this. A plus b whole square means x plus 5 whole square. That means x plus 5 into x plus 5. This is our final answer for this question. So these two are the factors of x square plus 10x plus 25. So we solve this problem by using one of the identity. So next example 2, factorize 25p square minus 49q square. Let's see the solution for this. 25p square minus 49q square. Here 25 we can write 5 square, and 49 we can write 7 square. 7 7 is 49. So in place of 25 we can write 5 square. 5 square p square minus 7 square q square. A square into b square equal to ab whole square. We can write like this. So as same 5p whole square minus 7q whole square. So it is in the form of a square minus b square. Formula for this: a plus b into a minus b. It is also one of the identity. So here a equal to 5p and b equal to 7p. Then we substitute this formula in this. Then we have 5p plus 7q and 5p minus 7q. So this is our final answer, and these are the factors of this expression. So next example is third one. Factorize x square plus 2xy plus y square minus 4z square. Let's see the solution for this problem. X square plus 2xy plus y square minus 4z square. Here x square plus 2xy plus y square. This is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So the formula for a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to a plus b whole square. So here a equal to x, b equal to y. Let's substitute this formula in this. Then we have x plus y whole square minus 4z square. This 4z square is, we can write 4z square as 2z whole square. 2 square means 2 to the 4, z square means z square. So x plus y whole square minus 2z whole square. It is in the form of a square minus b square. The formula for a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So here a equal to x plus y and b equal to 2z. Then formula for a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b, that means x plus y plus 2z into x plus y minus 2z, a minus b. So this is our final answer, and x plus y plus 2z into x plus y minus 2z. These two are the factors of this expression. If you like, try these two problems as I explained in this video. If you have any doubts, then comment below. I will definitely explain in my next video. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.